Welcome to this lecture on misinformation in digital campaigns. Now, we've talked about misinformation in previous lectures, but today we'll explore what misinformation really is, how it spreads, and why it poses a threat to digital advocacy and social change. Misinformation refers to false or inaccurate information that is shared, often unknowingly. It differs from disinformation, which is deliberately spread to mislead. Misinformation can emerge in any digital campaign, particularly those involving politics, public health, environmental issues, or social issues. One thing to keep top of mind is the fact that misinformation thrives online due to what we've discussed before: algorithmic amplification. Platforms reward content that sparks engagement. Now, emotional and sensational content spreads faster than facts, and echo chambers and low media literacy further reinforce false narratives. In more recent years, misinformation has been showing up in environmental activism at a rapid rate. For example, some fossil fuel companies have pushed claims to make climate change seem less serious or even deny it's happening. Then there's greenwashing, where brands pretend to be eco friendly when they're really not. All of this creates confusion, makes it harder for people to know what's true, and slows down real progress. As budding digital activists, what can we do to identify misinformation? We can identify misinformation by checking the source, verifying dates, and using tools like Snopes. Watch for emotionally charged or exaggerated language and use reverse image search to confirm your visuals. As digital campaigners, we can fight misinformation by sharing verified facts, building media literacy, and working with credible sources. Campaigns should also report misleading content and engage trusted influencers only. The sad reality is, misinformation can derail even the most well intentioned digital campaign. That's why media literacy is so important. Media literacy means having the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and create messages across different types of media. It helps us question what we see online, spot false information, and make informed choices about what we share. As digital activists and campaigners and media consumers as well, we have a responsibility to prioritize the truth, check our sources, and be intentional about the messages we amplify. When we promote media literacy in our communities, we're not just fighting misinformation, we're empowering others to think critically, engage responsibly, and ultimately protect the integrity of the movements we care about. The bottom line is, real change starts with informed action. See you on the next one.